Lauren as the Accelerator. And Denise as Endriv, N stands for Ninja. And Michelle as Limitless Girl.
Together, they fight calculus crime.
Calculus!
It is a typical day at Butler High School. 3 students, Denise, Lauren, and Michelle, are walking to calculus.
If you come back, send me an email, and I'll put a list together and say, here.
What's that? A letter? We've taken Miss Lynch. You'll never see her again?
How are we going to master calculus now?
It's time to do justice. Calculus!
And so Denise, Lauren, and Michelle use their secret superhero calculus powers to journey off to find Miss Lynch. Luckily, they had an idea who might have her.
That's Holy Moly. He's known for throwing things in his well.
That must be where Miss Lynch is.
Let's go. Calculus!
You'll never find Miss Lynch. Stop trying.
Well, if you won't tell us where she is, we'll use our calculus powers to find her.
I'll never tell.
Limitless Girl, how are we going to find Miss Lynch?
Well, think of Holy Moly's layers of plane. If we find an equation and set the derivative and find where it does not exist, that's where the hole will be, and that's where the well will be. And that's where Miss Lynch will be.
The limit does not exist!
Yes.
Calculus!
Woo! Go, Limitless Girl, go!
To find the whole of this equation, we first have to factor the numerator. Since x minus 1 cancels out, this is the location of the whole. Therefore, at x equals 1, there is no value.
I do love my songs.
This must be the well. There's nothing in it.
I told you you would never find her.
Well, where is she?
I'll never tell.
Tell me, or else.
Or else what?
Tickle you. Come here.
Where is she?
I'll never tell.
I'll tickle you. Where is she?
Okay. Evil cubed has her.
Evil cube?
Evil cubed.
I like your cooperation, but I don't like that you're a villain.
Where's Miss Lynch?
Evil Cube has her.
Go, Accelerator, go.
I've got this. Skadoosh! Come here, Miss Lynches! Never!
The Accelerator is approaching a right-angled intersection from the north, chasing the criminal, Evil Cubed, who has turned the corner and is now moving straight east. When the Accelerator is 3 miles south of the intersection and Evil Cubed is 4 miles to the east, it is determined that the distance between the Accelerator and Evil Cubed is increasing at 10 miles per hour. If the Accelerator is moving at 30 miles per hour, what is the speed of Evil Cubed?
First, let's draw out a picture to help us better understand the case between I, the Accelerator, and the crime-causing Evil Cubed. Then we take our equation, x squared plus y squared equals h squared. Plug in our variables of x equals 4 and y equals 3 and solve for h. We find that the value of h equals 5. Next, we have to take the derivative of the Pythagorean theorem Then we solve the equation for dh over dt and factor out a 2. The 2's cancel out. For this equation, the variable we are solving for is dx equals over dt. Now we can plug in all of our given values and simplify. Finally, we solve for dx over dt and find out that evil cubed is traveling at 125 miles per hour.
You can't get past me in my superhuman speed. Ah! Skidoo, super speed time. I got her. The accelerator has succeeded.
You got me.
Tell me where Miss Lynch is, you evil fiend.
V squared Hauser.
Tell me where she's got her, you bad person.
In V square's evil lair.
Off with
Creepy
you.
basement.
Off with you, V cubed. To Miss Lynch.
What happened out there?
V squared has Miss Lynch.
Where is she?
In the basement.
Andrew, you got this.
Calculus.
Ninja out!
Denise walks up to V squared's door, but is stopped by a massive bodyguard.
Where is V squared?
None shall pass until you solve this equation. You will need the answer once you get inside.
To find the solution, I must first find the derivative. He was like, who's the new girl, Mr. Gregor? And then I was like, oh, I'm in lunch. But I finished my lunch, so I can make here. He's like, okay. Next, I have to set the equation equal to 0 and solve for x. X equals 0. Now we can make a sign chart.
Oh, she's so shocked. I was like, just be back on 1. She's like,
When plugging into y prime, all integers before 0 are positive, and all integers after 0 are negative. This means that x equals 0 is a max, which is a critical point. We can also view the critical point on our calculators. First plug in the equation on the y1, and then shut off the equation.
Next, move to the y2. Type math, 8. Now hit vars, move to y vars, hit 1, and select the y1. Finally, press comma, x, and end parentheses. Then you can graph the function.
This is how fat v squared is.
Since the function changes sign from positive to negative, the max is at x equals 0.
Right there.
How did you get in here? No one can solve my riddle.
Well, I did, so ha ha. Now where's Miss Lynch?
You have to get past me to find her.
But you're so fat. Wait, the bodyguard told me that I need to answer once I get inside. Your fatness must have a weak point somewhere. And the answer to the equation was that the max was at 0, 0. So your belly button must be your weak spot. Oh! Victory!
Where's Miss Lynch? Come out here, you fools!
What are you guys doing?
We're looking for Miss Lynch.
Oh, she's upstairs.
Let's go!
Oh my god, I keep is falling!
Wait, are we all going?
I guess so.
You guys are late.
Scene 3. Go.
Tell me where Miss Lynch is. Never. Tell me. Never.
You got me!
Tell me where Miss Lynch is, you evil fiend!
B2 has her.
Tell me where she is!
Oh my, you got me!
Tell me where Miss Lynch is, you evil fiend!
B squared has her.
Tell me where she is, you bad person!
What happened out there?
B squared, it's Miss Lynch! Get it, Ezra!
This is you. Now where's Miss Lynch?
You won't find her here.
I thought you were supposed to say That's Holy Moly. He's not throwing things in his mouth. Calculus. Go, girl.
Run, Forrest.
You'll never find Miss Lynch, so try and.
No, I can't do it. We have to find Miss Lynch. Use your super calculus powers to go find her. Okay. No! No! No. Limitless girl. Okay. Tell me where she is.
Okay.
Where is she?
She's.
To find the solution, first I must take the derivative.
Don't cut yourself.
Let's stop.
Gotta ruin it.